Do you want to remove a watermark from a busy image like this without using Photoshop? Or maybe you want to turn a low-quality image into a super high-quality one? Well, if yes, then you're watching the right video. If you're a content creator, I'm pretty sure while searching on Google, you've often found some really great stock images, but they're covered with watermarks everywhere, right? That's because those are paid images. But don't worry, the solution to this problem is in this video. Today, I'm going to use a tool called Uniconverter 16. You'll find the download link in the description below. Simply download and install the software on your Windows or Mac, and you're good to go. Once done, open Uniconverter and log into your account. Here, you'll find a bunch of useful tools. Just click on Image, and you'll see features like Image Enhancer, Watermark Remover, Background Remover, and Batch Image Editor. Let's start with the Image Enhancer. So I'm clicking on it, and now I'll upload one image to try it out. Alright, now here you'll see a few different AI models like Auto Enhancer, Image Upscaler, etc. But I personally like the Auto Enhancer model a lot, so I'm going to try that one. By the way, if you want to enhance multiple images at once, you can just click on the plus icon and do batch editing, so you won't have to do it one by one and waste time. Okay, so right now you can clearly see the image is very low in quality. Now let's watch the magic. I'm going to click on Export All. So now you can see that the image has been enhanced. Just take a look at the before and after comparison. There's a huge difference, right? Even when I zoom in, I can clearly see that the image quality has improved a lot. The lips, nose, and eyes all have much better detailing now. So yeah, this image enhancer feature is actually really powerful. And as soon as you hit export, the enhanced image will appear in your folder right here. All right, so definitely give it a try. Now, let's move to the next feature, Watermark Remove Easily. So I'm going to click on Watermark Remover, and now I'll upload an image that has a watermark. As you can see, there are a lot of watermarks on this image. Let's find out if we can remove them or not. Okay, now here you need to adjust the brush size based on the image, and then gently paint over the watermark areas like this. All right, I've painted over all the watermark spots. And yes, you can also use batch mode to remove watermarks from multiple images at once. Cool. Now I'll click on Export, and boom, all the watermarks are gone. And the removal looks really clean. You can see that the watermarks on the shirt and face have been removed perfectly without any issues. There are still a few tiny lines and icons left in the background, but you can easily remove them too by using the brush tool again. So yeah, now you've seen how easy and powerful this tool is. Make sure to try. All right, now let's try the last, but definitely the most advanced tool, which is the Batch Image Editor. So I'm just gonna click here and upload an image. Now here, you'll see a bunch of editing controls. First, there's a feature called All, where you get access to several image editing tools in one place. You can crop, rotate, and flip your image very smartly, and with just one click, you can convert the image into any aspect ratio you want. Just select the aspect ratio that fits your need, and then hit apply. Simple. Next, you can resize the image from here. You'll even get ready-made presets for different social media platforms. All you have to do is choose the size that suits your content. That's it, done. Then comes the basic editing part. You can adjust things like brightness, contrast, and saturation all from here. Just below that, you'll also find the image enhancer feature, which I've already shown you earlier. So, yep, you can do the same enhancements from here. Now moving down, there's also an image background remover option. Just turn it on, and the background of your image will be removed instantly. You can even pick a solid background color or apply some cool background images. And honestly, they look pretty amazing. So basically, under this All section, you'll get all the image editing features in one place. Or if you want, you can also use them separately from the sidebar. Once you're done with everything, just hit Export All, and your edited image will be saved. So yeah, these are some of the awesome image editing features inside Uniconverter that every creator should definitely try. The link is down below in the description. Make sure it out. Thanks for